So hey guys, here we are again for an unboxing and review on another Holy Stone X series drone. We recently revealed one of the drones. So this one, the difference, it's a quite many different, and one of them is because this one has an app control, which the other one didn't have it. That was the part that I didn't like much about the other one. So here it goes. We have headless mode, one key return. They have FPV on control, so you can adapt your phone to it. It has 3D flips rolls, 2.4 gigabytes. And let's see. App control is a real time, so I'm really looking forward to see it. So here I have. So this one has a white control on the drone. It's yellow with black. So we have the same thing as before. And this is the control. We have the batteries. It goes 4 AA batteries. Here we have a few extra packages. Some things we need to build in, so I haven't had it yet. This is my first time opening it. So I'm saying the same as you guys. So here's for the phone. The adapter for the phone. Right here. Here I have a few extra parts, and also I have a screwdriver. And here it comes with a 4 gigabytes memory card, and this is the adapter for it, USB adapter. Right here we have the extra part that should be built in. Here we have extra blades. It comes with 4 extra blades, so front and backwards blades, and also screws. Let's see. So this is our drone X series. It's made on dried plastic. This button turn on and off button. And here we have what's inside the memory card. Let's plug in batteries. That's all the finish. That's the LED lamps. So it's really very much lightweight. That's it. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make it ready so you guys can see a better part of it. So okay, now we're gonna install the protection frame in the landing gear. So let's see, this is the package with the protection frame. It's right here. Let's open and check out packages. So each motor cabinet has one protection on the landing gears. So these are the landing gears. And these are the protections for the cabins. These are the screws. Okay, so they all are inserted right here. You have like 2 little holes right here just to insert this part. And it goes right here. So you have here, you can see where you should screw. So I'm gonna get an egg, get back to you guys. So that's all the parts that comes in. So now we're gonna install the protection frames. Okay. So now we're gonna start install the landing gears. This is it, we just done upside down. This ones are the landing gears. That's how they go right here. Press harder. Just press harder, and as you see, no screws need. And this is our landing gears. So now it's time for install the memory card, and I'm gonna show you guys how to charge the batteries. So this is the memory card. It comes with the 4 GB memory card. This goes right here. Just press, click, that's it. This one is the connector for the batteries. So you're gonna connect the black one with the red one. Just goes right here. That's it. This one is the one that you're gonna use to charge the battery. So this is the charger that comes, the USB charger. This is the head of it. Yep. And then you connect this one right here on the white. Wait right here. Just press it and you connect it, and it's ready to charge. And here goes also the antenna. You have it left, and we're gonna just install and then antenna porter right here. So you see, it's just right here. And just look, that's how the antenna stays. So here, as we just finished to assemble the extra parts of the drone, the flyer's protection, the landing, connect the battery, put the SD card. I'm gonna show a little bit of the controller. So this is the controller. You have a little monitor here. To install, you need 4 AA batteries, and you just unscrew and put the 4 AA batteries. And what also comes it's a phone holder, mobile phone holder, so you can attach to the control right here, and then you can put your phone while you use the app. So you just push straight down, and that's it. And it holds. So here it goes. These parts go right here, and here, and just put the phone. So here you have. That's it. So here, just all the extra parts that comes with. And here is our drone. Haven't turned it on, so we just turned it on to see. So that's how it looks. You have 4 LED lamps. On the front they're blue, and the back they're orange. And put the controller batteries, and you're ready to fly. Thank you guys for watching. See you next. So this is goes. I'm gonna show a little bit how does it work, the Holy Stone app to control the drone. So you just click in here, and then you have options: monitor, control, user center, and help. Start with the monitor. On the monitor, it's the view of the camera. So whenever you go to monitor, you're gonna see right what it shows up in the drone camera. And you also have here the signal of Wi-Fi signal. You have 108 degrees to turn the degrees. You have a 3D view where you can record videos in 3D view. And you have picture, and you have video, and right on the bottom you have all the videos you record. So on the control, we have many options. So we have hiding mode, so you can hide the control mode and you can see what is recording behind. You have 108 reverse. If you turn on the drone here, the controller, so it will be on the drone. So you have 360 degrees flip. Here you have higher and low level. You have headless mode, direction mode, and you have lamps. This is the lamps on the drone. So to control, this is the elevation. That's how you control right here. And then we have modes. We have mode 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 again. That's the modes to see how do you control the drone. Right here, it's right here we have the flight plan. This is the flight plan. You just draw whatever plan you have to fly, and then the drone will make the course. To do it, just draw the plan, start engine, and you will do the course. The flight up and drew the course. And right here we have again the camera, video, and 3D view once again. And at the main menu we also have help. So help is some instruction, basically all that I just talked about, and that's it. So thanks guys for watching.